Ulta haul, holiday specials, best deals for November, and what I bought. Hello beautiful people, my name is Anne. This is Fabulous Life 101. On my channel you'll find everything from makeup to meditation to fashion to anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. So if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Well, it's here, the holiday shopping season. I know it doesn't feel like Christmas. In fact, Christmas is about 6 weeks away still, but the deals are here. Starting with my two favorite stores, Ulta and Sephora. Well, at Sephora, I'm at the VIB level, so my deals actually start today. I'm filming this on Tuesday, November 9th, so I'm heading there as soon as I'm done with the video. But I've been to Ulta already. This catalog came last week. The deals from October 30th through November 20th. And as you can tell, I already used my coupon because I think I am at the highest level with Ulta, so I got $20 off a $100 purchase. I'm going to just show you a few of the things that I bought. But first, let's just go through the catalog and let me show you some of the deals. These are just some Ulta brand products. They have some really good kit deals. This particular brand I do like, First Day Beauty. And Morphe had some big deals. I bought a few things from there. I'm going to show it to you in a minute. A lot of good hair products, beauty bombs, pretty much anything you're looking for. There are all kinds of specials. And there are a lot of specials that weren't in the catalogs that I saw when I went to the store. So it's definitely worth going. There's a great package from IT Cosmetics. Some good deals on ColourPop. There's just so many things you can find. So if you don't get these catalogs already, just go to Ulta.com and sign up. You need to be on their list. It doesn't cost anything to join, and they're always savings. But now, on with what I bought. Well, yesterday I used my $20 off coupon. I got $20 off of a $100 purchase. Now, it's not good on a lot of prestige brand, but with this deal, I mainly look for things that I needed more of. So, like, for example, this, I've already taken them out and started using them. Beauty Bear, Sugar Bear hair vitamins, and Woman's Multi. I was out of these, so great time to buy. I was also out of this NYX Brow Glue, bought some more of that. And this was a deal that I just saw when I got to the store, number 7 products. I think it was buy one, get one, 50% off. So I wound up buying the night cream. I decided to try Restore and Renew. I had previously used Lift and Illuminate, but this one's supposed to be even better anti-aging ingredients. So I got some of this. And then I got the number 7 Laboratories Firming Booster Serum Accelerator. These are both sort of new to me from number 7. I've always liked the brand, so I'm going to be giving these a try. And then, of course, ColourPop, one of my favorites. I've never tried their brow gel before, but I've got some now. Two other things I got. I told you Morphe was having a palette sale. Well, this one is the Avani Gregg for the Bebs Artistry palette. I bought this one because I know I have a niece that's a big fan of Avani Gregg, and her parents let me know that they're okay with me buying her makeup, but they're not going to buy it for themselves. So I think this is going to be her Christmas present. And, okay. Now, everybody's familiar with James Charles. I haven't really watched his videos because he tends to appeal to like the teens, and I tend to watch, more mature artists. And I realize that there's been a lot of controversy with him. And of course, Morphe loves nothing but giving artists a break and then canceling them. So James Charles is the latest to be canceled by Morphe. I'm not getting into whether he's guilty or innocent. He's only 21. And I think he was supposedly sexting with some teenagers. But whatever, he's canceled. His palettes are half price. So I thought I'd give this a try. It's only $13. And look at all these colors. There's a lot of colors for $13. 39 pins in here for $13. So I'm going to give this a try. I've had some Morphe palettes in the past. They've not been my favorites, to be honest. The pigments are just not as strong, maybe not as blendable, but I'm going to see how this works. I'm going to do a video creating looks from this palette. I also decided to try this new brush line. This is BH Beauty. BH Cosmetics, it's a German brand. This package comes with 12 different brushes. Crystal Zodiac, so they're all pretty colors. I'm going to give them a try. Then I decided to look at the international section. One brand I tried was called Grown Alchemist Save Our Skin Skincare Essentials Minis Kit. $39, value $87. I have tried some of this once and I like it. I think it's especially good in the morning. It includes a facial gel cleanser, a serum, a toner, a day cream, and a lip cream. So it's all for $37. Good deal, chance to try a new brand. Then I got this from Skyn, Iceland. This is the microneedling eye patches. I've been wanting to try microneedling patches. It says it comes with hyaluronic acid and peptides. It also says to use it with the Skyn Iceland serum. I did not buy that serum, but looking at the ingredients on that serum, I think I'm going to just use it with some of my ordinary products, probably a mixture of buffet and hyaluronic acid. But I'm looking forward to trying these. And also from the international section, I got this called Advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence. I've been curious about snail mucin. I tend to usually prefer vegan products, but there's been a lot of talk about this. This is a Korean product, and I think in the Far East they use a lot of the snail mucin. It's supposed to be a really good beauty trick. So this is what this looks like, and I have not yet tried it. I'm going to probably try it tonight. So anyway, these are a few things I bought today. I just wanted to tell you about some of the things. In upcoming videos, I'm going to be demonstrating. I'm also going to be doing a Sephora spray. So more coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.